After so many years, people were expecting an upgrade for their dear coffee maker. It did not come until today, but we finally have it. This is the AeroPress Go, an upgrade to the old faithful AeroPress Classic, if you want, that has been used by many for many years because of its simple design, simple cleaning procedures. All you need is a paper filter and coffee and hot water and you're good to go. The only problem is with this one, you actually need to have your plunger separately. You also need to have your beans somewhere, your paper filters. Like, there's no real way to package everything together and have something ready to go in your bag. You need a bunch of parts and they all go around in your bag. Not the best thing. This version though, this is a nicer, little teenier, but more practical version. So the AeroPress Go is this little thing, which is basically your mug, your coffee mug, with a little rubber cap. So you first remove the rubber cap, which is squishy and very easy to clean. First thing you see is the coffee filter. So it's a little puck that allows you to store maybe up to 5 or 10 coffee filters. So not enough for a super long trip, but enough for a couple days for sure. Then here you have the AeroPress itself. So a bit smaller if we compare sizes. Not that much smaller, but just a little bit. More compact. Different design on the holes here. Fewer number of holes, larger holes. Maybe that'll change the taste. I don't know, we'll see. The AeroPress itself has not really changed. The shape is exactly the same. The only difference is the shape of this little stopper here and the actual plunger that's a bit smaller. So that's the AeroPress. And over here we have your mug, in which you have two accessories. So the first one is a nice little coffee scoop, and the second one is this little flexible coffee plunger, basically where you just stir your coffee in there. So how is this more compact? Well, you just take your AeroPress, put your plunger, put your scoop in there. Okay, they're all very nice in there. You put everything upside down in the mug. You add your filters, they actually hold here a bit, and then you just add the rubber cap and you're good to go. So this little thing can be thrown in your bag and you're good to drink your coffee on your trip, in the forest, on the mountain, wherever you have a source of hot water. Other than this, all you'll need is a bag of grinded coffee and a source of hot water, so then you're good to go. Like, everything's in there and it's super sturdy, so it's pretty great. So next up, let me show you how I make my coffee with the AeroPress Go. Alright, hope you enjoyed this little sequence. So overall, the AeroPress Go is a very sturdy product. It's self-contained in this little package there. It's super easy to transport. All the parts are made of quality plastic, all made in the USA. The functionality has not changed. It's basically the same thing as before, just slightly smaller. So we'll probably see eventually a bunch of new recipes coming from the AeroPress Championship. The thing is very similar than the predecessor, the Classic. There's only a couple changes on the design, therefore the recipe might not change, but since we have new proportions, maybe we'll get a different amount of coffee, different amount of water, so we'll probably see some recipe pop up here and there in the coming weeks and months. Overall, I really like this product. The other one came with me on all my trips. I went to Europe a couple times, went in the south, wherever I couldn't get a good cup of coffee. I was always ready to use my AeroPress and some local coffee to have a nice cup of joe in the morning. So that was the way I did it. But with a smaller little brother here, the AeroPress Go, it's gonna be even simpler. Like, everything is in one single thing, so it's easier to transport. Like I said, great quality parts, great quality coffee made from a cool product. I'm pretty stoked about this update. I wish this could come many years ago. People who started to travel with this had the same problems always, like where'd you put the plunger, where'd you put your coffee filters, but this solves everything, so that's pretty great. The only thing that you're missing is a grinder, so I would say that you're 90% there, so that's pretty great. Let me know in the comments if you like this new design, if this shape or if this new way of putting things one inside the other fits the bill for you, or if you don't like this shape, or you would prefer an even taller AeroPress maybe. I don't know if this is the first product of a line of product from AeroPress. Maybe they're all of a sudden changing their product line and it will probably put out more products in the future. I'm not sure, I haven't got confirmation from that. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this video. Thumbs up, subs, and give me a comment. Peace.